Welcome back! In today's video, we're diving deep into advanced English grammar with a focus on multiple choice questions. Whether you're preparing for an exam, refining your language skills, or just looking to challenge yourself, this video will cover a wide range of topics to test your knowledge. We'll be exploring everything from tenses and conditionals to modal verbs and passive voice, ensuring you have a strong grasp on the essential aspects of English grammar. So grab a pen and paper, and let's get started.
Choose the sentence with the correct usage of the present perfect tense. Which sentence correctly uses the third conditional? Identify the correct use of the modal verb. Which sentence correctly uses the passive voice? Choose the sentence with correct subject-verb agreement. Which sentence correctly uses reported speech? Identify the sentence with the correct use of a relative clause. Choose the correct form of the verb in the subjunctive mood. Which sentence correctly uses a gerund? Choose the correct preposition. Which sentence correctly uses the future perfect tense? Identify the sentence with correct parallel structure. Which sentence uses the correct form of a phrasal verb? Choose the sentence with correct inversion after a negative adverbial. Which sentence correctly uses an infinitive? Identify the sentence with correct word order in a question. Choose the sentence with the correct use of a comparative. Which sentence correctly uses a pronoun? Choose the correct article usage. Which sentence correctly uses ellipsis? Choose the sentence with correct use of punctuation. Identify the sentence with correct verb tense. Which sentence correctly uses a comparison of equality? Choose the sentence with correct pronoun antecedent agreement. Which sentence correctly uses a relative pronoun? Identify the sentence with correct adverb placement. Choose the sentence with correct use of a superlative. Identify the correct use of correlative conjunctions. Which sentence correctly uses a clause of purpose?
Great job making it through these advanced English grammar questions. How did you do? Remember, mastering grammar takes time and practice, so don't be discouraged if some questions were challenging. Keep revisiting these concepts, and you'll see improvement. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content. Also, leave a comment below with your score or any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.